Let's go. This is my first the blizzard thing. My first blizzard alert. I haven't gotten a tornado warning in a while. This is forecast.
In southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, East Central Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 4:45 p.m.
No, it's cut off. It's
At
incomplete.
4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Murray, or 24 miles south of Omaha, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour.
What?
Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation.
Bro.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs,
Come on, the
windows,
siren.
and vehicles will occur.
Because there's a fire in my
Tree
area.
damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pacific Junction around 4:15 p.m.
Again, this is not my tornado siren.
4:20 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.